Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute. Honestly, I'm just really trying to find the right balance between life and YouTube. I hope that soon, I'll be able to make it work somehow. It's actually my birthday today, so shout out to all my Aries gang. Woo, 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 woo. So yeah, I kind of just winged this makeup look. I didn't really know, I didn't really have this in mind, but I do like it. It's more like the highlight is really cute. If you want to see how I achieved this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so I've done my eyebrows off camera and I'm just priming my face with the nip+fab foundation primer. It's actually my birthday today, so I don't know what kind of look I'm gonna go for, but I want it to be cute. Should I do drugstore? I'm gonna try and keep it drugstore, so I'm just gonna use the L'Oreal True Match foundation, and this is in the shade 9.5D/9.5W mahogany. Put this on my face, so I'm just gonna blend this out, and I'm just using my Real Techniques body complexion sponge. On camera it looks a bit red, but it's fine. So now that I've got that on my face, I'm just gonna take my Real Techniques Face Expert brush and then just buff it on my hairline and just around my face to get rid of that excess product. This foundation is actually really nice. I do like the finish of it. So to conceal, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Concealer C13 and C12 and mix them up. So then I'm just going to take C12 and I just put that on top. And then I just take the same sponge and just blend it out again. I'm just going to take the flat side of the sponge and just press that in. Primark Rich Espresso concealer stick, and I'm just going to contour my face. So I'm just going to put this here. I'm just going to take my Real Techniques sculpting brush and I'm just going to blend that out. Blend my nose, and then I'm just going to take my sponge and just even that all out and blend away all the harsh lines so you don't see where the contour stops and the highlight starts. You just go over these bits so it blends together. So that's pretty much the complexion side done. I'm just gonna take my nip+fab. Do you know what? Nip+fab have got to have the best makeup ever. So I'm just taking their contour palette, and this is in the shade 03 Dark, and I'm just taking the darkest shade, which is Cocoa, I believe. This is actually a Studio London brush, but it's like a tapered kind of contour brush. And I'm just gonna take this shade and that shade to bronze my face. So this one and this one. So Chestnut and Cocoa, and I'm just gonna dab in both. Bronze slash contour my face. And then I'm just gonna take my face expert brush again and just blend everything out. Then for my setting powder, I'm just taking my RCMA no color powder, and I'm just gonna use this to set. Well, I'm gonna bake my face. Do you know what? It's my birthday, so we're gonna bake. I'm acting like I don't bake every day. I bake every day, I don't care. I'm just gonna use a lot of powder underneath my eyelids to catch the fallout. Like so. Then I'm just gonna take this BH Cosmetics 133 brush and just brush away the bake on my eyelid. I'm gonna move on to eyeshadow. Okay, so I've just zoomed in on the eyes a bit, but I'm just gonna take, I feel like because spring is here, I want to do a spring birthday look, so I'm just going to use my Morphe 35B palette. So for my transition colour, I'm just going to take this pinky kind of colour up here, this one, and I'm just going to put this all over in my crease. It's like a peachy kind of tone. And this is on a MAC 224 brush, well, a MAC 224 dupe. And a tip for eyeshadow, what I do is just pack on the colour where you want it and then just blend it out. I'm gonna take this pink here, this one. So I'm just gonna put this in the crease. That first brush and just blend everything out. I'm just gonna take a Real Techniques crease brush and I'm just gonna take this shade here, so this lilac-y shade, and mix it with this bright purple like that and put that in the crease. You can still be as messy with this as you want because we're just going to add glitter. Take the shade, this rose, which is like this really pretty kind of lilac-y, pinkish type colour. You can see in the cap, which is perfect. Or a silvery kind of holographic kind of colour, but I think I'm gonna mix the two. So I'm just gonna take the glitter primer. This is the glitter primer, so I'm just gonna use this. I'm just gonna take this on my finger so I'm just gonna take a little bit of that glitter. I mean, look at that. It looks so pretty. It's my birthday, like, whoa! I think I'm just gonna stick this on in the center. The pink glitter. And I'm just gonna pack this on the ends. So this is what my eyes look like. They just look like a mess. But this is my birthday glam. I'm just making this up. As you can tell, I look crazy. But I'm just gonna go back in to this purple shade here and just define the crease a bit. I'm just gonna wipe away the bake now. This is literally like a quick birthday kind of glam, like. So I'm gonna use this Maybelline Master Holographic highlight. So I'm just gonna take it on a fluffy kind of blending brush. I'm gonna use Makeup Revolution Golden Sugar, this shade I guess, and just highlight with that. There's a bit more of a glow. So I'm just gonna put on some false eyelashes and some lip gloss, and this is the look. I guess this is my birthday look. This is how I'm rocking my birthday. Okay, so I've just applied some false lashes, and the lashes that I used are the Sosu lashes in the style Milan, which are just nice and wispy. Obviously they're not the ones I've got on. This is a pair that I'm already using. But I'm just gonna spray my face with some badescu or whatever. That is just so cute or whatever. Okay, you know, I'm trying to make this affordable. So this is the MUA Luxe Unique Lip Gloss. I think it's meant to be a pH lip gloss or something, but on me it's just clear. So I'm just gonna wipe my foundation lips. No, this is actually a unique pH. It's got some kind of colour to it. This is the final look. I look like a unicorn. Like, there needs to be a unicorn right here because we look like twins. But yeah, this is the finished look that I came up with. It's kind of spring, but more like a unicorn farted on my face kind of look. But you know, it looks cute.